Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Publisher 2016 tutorial, I'm going to go over how to rotate, flip, and change the proportion of graphics. Let's get started. So you'll see that I have a Publisher template here, and I'm going to go ahead and insert 3 graphics. To insert a graphic, first you have to save it onto your computer, and so I've saved mine onto my desktop. And so I go to the Insert tab, the Illustrations group, and then I click on Pictures. These are pictures that are stored on your computer. I click Pictures, and then I'm going to go right here to Desktop where I have them saved, and I have my 3 pictures right here. If I want to insert all 3 at once, I'm going to click on the first one, hold down Shift, and click on the last one. That'll select all 3. Now I click Insert. Whenever you insert multiple pictures on Publisher, it'll put it on the scratch area off to the side. And so our goal within this tutorial is to show you how to rotate images, change the proportion or change the size of them, and finally show how to send forward and backwards. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this castle larger, make the road lead into the castle, and put the driver on the road. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is with the castle. Notice all 3 are selected right now. I'm going to deselect them by clicking within the scratch area. And then I'm just going to choose the castle photo. I'm going to move that right here onto my publication. Okay, now that I have the graphic on my publication, I'm going to click it and then go to the Picture Tools Format tab. Over here you can see the size group. It has the height and the width. Alright, for this one I want to increase it so that the width is approximately 2. So I'm going to go ahead and click the corner sizing handle and increase that. And we'll see it's about at 1.56 there. A little bit more. There's about at 2. And then I can move it by clicking in the middle, anywhere other than this spot right here, which is Swap Photo. So I could click right here and move it to where I want it to go. If I want it to be exactly 2 inches wide, I could go back up here to the width, click inside, type 2, and press Enter. Okay, this looks like a fine spot for the road. Or sorry, for the castle. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to rotate, and I'm going to use the road graphic for this one. And so I'm going to click on the road over here on the right side and bring it over. My goal here is to have the road lead out of the castle door. And to rotate, you have a few options within Publisher. You could go to the Picture Tools Format tab, Arrange group, click Rotate, and then you have Free Rotate or more rotation options. This here is where you can rotate to an exact percentage, but I find it easiest to just go right above the middle top sizing handle and you'll see a rotation wheel. You could use this rotation wheel to rotate it any way that you want, and I'm going to put mine about right there and then release. Now this is the road that is supposed to lead right out of the castle door, and so I'll put it right there. Okay. Alright, so there's the road leading from the castle door. Next up, I'm going to show you how to change the proportion of an image, as well as how to rotate and flip your images. So we have the picture of the delivery guy here. And so I have the image selected and I moved it onto here. Now it's going to look kind of strange if he is put over this and he's actually behind everything. So you'll see that we want him to be in the very front. So if that's the case, I'm going to go to the Picture Tools Format tab, the Arrange group, and I'm going to show you how to bring him to the front. Right here is Bring Forward, and I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, and I'm going to click Bring to Front. When I do that, now if I move him over this, you'll see here that he is now in the front. Let's say that I want him to be facing the other direction with the motorcycle facing to the right. Okay, well the way that we do that is we need to again go to the Rotate button. So that's the Picture Tools Format tab, Arrange group, Rotate, and when you click on that, now we have options for also rotating left and right, but you could also flip vertical to put him upside down. I'll put that back to how it was, or flip horizontal to turn him left and right. And so now he's more lined up with the road. I can move him directly onto the road, and there we go. So there's our image. To group all of these images together as one, I could highlight all 3 of them, right click, and go to group. And now it will act as one image. So that's a quick little graphics tutorial inside of Publisher, and I have taught you how to rotate images to a custom rotation, how to flip them vertically and horizontally, and how to change the proportion of the graphic. Finally, I went over how to bring an image forward and how to send it backwards. So if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day.